The traffic improvements should help clear traffic here along US 95. But further north, up on Mount Charleston, a group of hardworking young men spent their summer clearing hiking trails while serving sentences. On a postcard-perfect afternoon, it was a day of celebration at Camp Lee Canyon.
So it's a huge benefit for us, and this year not only did they help maintain the trails, but the young men also did some trail construction for us. So we're getting new trails built by the young men also.
Now in its 40th year, a unique partnership exists between the U.S. Forest Service and the Spring Mountain Youth Camp. The Forest Service provides tools and equipment, and incarcerated youths repair and maintain more than 60 miles of hiking trails. Through this hard work, the teens are paying back their debts to society, and much of the cash they earn is given back also.
I would like to thank the Workforce Connections. Without them, the youth wouldn't be getting paid the restitution that they've been paying back to the community. We were awarded a $180,000 grant in which we've paid approximately $20,500 back to the community for restitution fines back to the victims. So all the hard work that the kids have done is not for nothing.
Spring Mountain Youth Camp is a secure correctional facility housing youths aged 12 to 18. These young men are serving sentences for juvenile crimes or actions.
Cleavon Brooks, Forester crew leader.
On this day, the Spring Mountain Youth Camp probation officers were honored for their leadership, dedication, and guidance to the young offenders.
Dustin Campbell.
And finally, one by one, each of the 46 students were given diplomas to mark their completion of the Youth Camp Forestry program and to reflect on life lessons learned.
I think the two most important things I've learned through the forestry program are perseverance and pride. The two traits go hand in hand. While hiking some of those trails or working really hard, you have to push yourself, sometimes further than you thought you could go. Then when it's all said and done and you look at what you've done, you're proud. The finished product always makes it seem worth it. In conclusion, I've learned a lot of important things from forestry, and I'm really glad to have been a part of it.
Excellent job. Good job.